To install the sensors, it's very simple. This is a huge truck. Now we are installing the sensor on the right side of the last row of tires. This is the sensor on the left side of the last row of tires. We omitted some installation lessons. Now let's go into the cab and check if we can receive signals from all the sensors. We can see that without using a repeater, all the signals can still be received. Of course, for vehicles with a long body length, the signal will be stronger when used with a free repeater.